Did it again. I went to Dollar Tree and I went there a few times. I spent $30, really over $30 one time, and then about $20 the second time. So I just wanted to share with you what I got. If you guys know me, then you know that I love doing DIY. I'm out of breath, guys. Aww. Take a second. Okay, so if you guys know me, you know that I love doing DIYs, and the Dollar Tree has a lot of good stuff to help me do those. So like last year when I did those Afro Diva Christmas wreaths, I got a lot of that stuff from the Dollar Tree. So guys, don't sleep on the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has some really good stuff, and I want to show you guys what I bought this time. So every time I go to Dollar Tree, I get me some Raisinets. They are my favorite. I got 2 milk chocolate and then 1 dark chocolate. I love me some Raisinets. And my favorite, funny thing is, my favorite cereal is Raisin Bran, so I like raisins. For some reason, a lot of people don't like raisins, but they're good to me. They're good for me. So, yeah. Okay, and then this is also not related to my Christmas stuff. I got a Slim Jim. Haven't had that in a long time. And then I got some Trident Vibes. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. And then I also got this silicone brush cleaner. I already have a DIY brush cleaner upstairs, but I wanted to try it out. It was only $1, obviously, so just got it. Okay, so now for my Christmas things, and here you can see I spent $30.68. Let me hide my card. I spent $30.68. I don't have the other receipt, so yeah, I spent $30. But anyways, I bought some really cute stuff. These are part of the Cobblestone Corners Winter Village collection. So they're like little people that you can put in your winter village. Really cute. People throwing snowballs, and then carolers, and then I got Santa, Mrs. Claus, and a snowman. And then I got some cars. This one looks like a trailer, and then a pickup truck that has a tree on the back. So cute. And then I got this house here. And then I got some trees, some white ones and some green ones that have like little snow on it. And I actually made some of these last year. I bought green ones and I put like my own snow on it by using paint. So yeah, and I didn't know which color I was going for this year because I do have a lot of blue ornaments. My first Christmas in my house, I decorated my tree in this color blue. So I bought some ornaments if I see them, because I know I'm going to use them again. I bought these blue and silver ornaments. They're really cute. So I don't know if I'm going to do blue this year or do the same as I did last year, and I used the rose gold pink color, which is, and I say this in a lot of videos, it's the color scheme of my house. Like everything downstairs is pink or blush or rose gold or copper, so in that family. So I don't know which color I'm going to do this year. I'm thinking I'm leaning towards this pink rose gold color again. And I can show you both of my treatment. How about this? You guys tell me which one you like better, the blue one or the pink one. I'll leave a picture of both of my trees up like this. Although this year I'm not doing a traditional Christmas tree. I'm going to do a DIY something, so stay tuned for that. Then I got this little birdie here. This little silver bird. Really cute. And then I got these little ornaments. They are more of a rose gold color. I don't even know if you can really see the color from here, but they are on the rose gold side, and they were so pretty and only $1, so why not? And I got 2 of each of those. And then I got this little ballerina. She was so cute. Her little tutu. It's up in the back. But my little ballerina. Very cute. And then I got some floral arrangements. So I got like little eucalyptus, and they're painted, spray painted with gold, and have little shimmer, glitter shimmers on here. So I got that. And I love me some hydrangeas, so I got 3 of these, or no, I got 4 of them. These are not necessarily for Christmas, although I was thinking about spray painting them with the rose gold spray paint that I have, and then putting them around my house around Christmas time. But I love hydrangeas, and these were so pretty. Even the color as is, although there's nothing in my house this color, I do like them. I think I'm really going to go ahead and spray paint them. Okay, and then that was one haul, or one shopping experience. And then I got some more. This stuff is not necessarily Christmas related. It's more like a glam type thing. I got some of these flowers. I don't want to say the name because I might mess that up. So I got 2 of these. These are close to the blush pink. They look more orange, but they're close to my color scheme that I have going on in my house. And then I got these little baskets because my room, so the colors in my house, downstairs in this floor there's no color scheme going on. Upstairs in the middle floor is pink, rose gold, blush, and gray. And then up on my floor in my room is gray and gold. So my ceiling is metallic gold and my walls are gray, and then I have white furniture in there. So gold and gray are my colors. So I got these little baskets. I'm going to do a DIY project for my room, so stay tuned for that as well. But I wanted to get these for that. So I have like rectangle ones, and I have little circular baskets. And then I got these 2 of each. I got 2 big, larger rectangle baskets as well. So I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I did really like them. So I got another one of these. I already have a lot of these around the house, but I broke one of these. Funny story, it fell down the steps, and as I washed it, it looked like it was going in slow motion. It was so sad. But they were only $1, so I got me another one. And I do like a lot of things. I can show you some of the things that I do around the house with these things in it. But I got like little pearls here, so you can put pearls in the bottom of it. And then like the flowers sticking up, so you'll have the pearls at the bottom and the flowers like that. Something like that. That's how I have it around the house. So I got these pearls, these big ones. And there's 40 in a pack. And then I got these smaller ones, and there's 80 in the pack. These are 10 millimeters. These ones are 14 millimeters. And then I got another one of the 14 millimeter pearl. And then this candle was so cute for fall. Fall's almost over, but thought it was cute. I could always use it for next year. So with the pearls, 2 years ago for Christmas, I did this DIY ornament. It took forever to make because I had to glue, you can't even really see it, individually glue these little pearl beads on. So it took forever for this to dry. But I have 2 of them here, and some of them are missing. But yes, this was a DIY project that I did. So these pearls will definitely be coming in handy. So those are all the products that I bought from Dollar Tree for my Dollar Tree haul, and I'm really excited to turn them into something great. If you guys are watching, because I know a lot of you guys subscribe to my channel based on those Christmas DIY videos, so I will be doing some Christmas DIYs this year and trying to do bigger than the last year. So please do stay tuned for that. If you guys enjoyed this haul, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye.